What does the Siemens E09 dishwasher error mean? If your Siemens dishwasher displays the error code E09, it indicates a malfunction in the heating system. Specifically, this points to a faulty flow-through heater, which is responsible for warming the water during the wash cycle. Common symptoms: dishes remain cold and unclean after a cycle. The dishwasher completes cycles unusually quickly. The error code E09 appears on the display. Potential causes: a defective heating element, limescale buildup affecting the heating system, issues with the temperature sensor, problems with the control module. Recommended actions: reset the dishwasher, unplug the appliance for about 10 minutes, then plug it back in and run a short cycle to see if the error persists. Check water hardness. If you live in an area with hard water, ensure you're using dishwasher salt to prevent limescale buildup. Professional repair. If the error continues, it's advisable to contact a qualified technician. Replacing the heating element or associated components may be necessary. Repair costs: parts, approximately $100 to $200. Labor, around $100 to $150, depending on your location and the service provider. Conclusion: the Siemens E09 dishwasher error signifies a heating issue, often due to a faulty component. While some preliminary checks can be done at home, professional assessment and repair are typically required to resolve the problem effectively. If this video helped you understand the Siemens E09 error, please like and subscribe for more appliance troubleshooting guides.